We recommend at this point that you recheck the internal dimensions, width and projection, and check the measurements across the internal corners, which should be the same. Silicone seal the gaps between the front of the eaves beam external trim, P6024, and the front of the windows to create a watertight seal. Position the eaves beam centrally on top of the windows. The inside face of the overhang will sit against the front face of the panels, and the end of the eaves beam will be flush with the outer face of the side panels. Once assembled on top of the panels, drill through the eaves beam only, using a long-reach 5 mm drill 100 mm from the edge of each window. The first holes from the end of the eaves beam should be at 170 mm to ensure it's fastened into the window. Power drive the fixing screws through the holes in the eaves beam and into the head of the window. The furring adapters will be pre-fitted to the bottom of the furring. Slide the two-part connectors onto the furring connectors, ensuring that the location legs interlock. Repeat for second furring. Position the furring assembly over the side panels. Ensure the location legs interlock with the windows and butts up against the eaves beam and wall. Position the quarter-turn buttons horizontally into the gap between the furring and the panels. Turn to lock. Ensure the first quarter-turn button is positioned within 50 mm from the front face of the furrings. Position the buttons every 400 mm along the length, both inside and out.